Grattis!
Absolutely nothing.
Nada.
Niente.
There is no such thing.
Everything is copied. Our
Vi
democracy,
människor som tillsammans formar framtiden.
credit goes to Greece. Parental leave,
Thank you, Switzerland.
the iconic Scandinavian windmills were actually invented in Persia. And we made the German bicycle a staple of our cities.
Hvem er rugbrød?
It's Turkish,
What?
Smapple?
Dutch,
What about licorice?
it's Chinese, and
Midsommarstången?
German.
And it gets worse.
rumor has it the oh-so-Swedish meatballs might not be as Swedish as you think, but Turkish.
Even the Danish isn't Danish.
It's Austrian. And the pride of Norway, the paperclip, was actually invented by an American.
And while we're at it,
America, thank you for taking the first steps
in empowering the women's rights movement.
We're no better.
Than our Viking ancestors.
We take everything we like on our trips abroad, adjust it a little bit, and
Voila!
it's a unique Scandinavian thing. Going out into the world inspires us to think big, even though we're quite small. Because every time we go beyond our borders, we add colors, innovation,
Progress.
adding the best of everywhere to here. In a way, Scandinavia was brought here. Piece by piece. By everyday people.